Hello viewers, welcome to Molly's Kitchen. I am going to show you how to prepare instant sweet with rice flour. Let's start. Take a large bowl, add 150 grams of rice flour, add 50 grams of sugar, add 2 spoons of ghee, mix it well. Add water and prepare dough. Dough is ready, keep it aside. Now take a kadai, add oil for deep frying. Once oil is heated, keep the flame in medium. Take small quantity of dough, gently press it. Now cook till they turn to golden brown color. Once they turn to golden brown color, take them into a plate. Now crispy and tasty instant sweet with rice flour is ready.